Quick update. I'm getting a cedar put up here. It's gonna look okay. Power steering pump, or probably a line where the barb goes into the rubber bushing, is bad. I put some UV spray or liquid in there so I can actually find it, because power steering fluid was all over the place and I could not find where the leak's coming from. We got some veggies coming up. Love our carrots. I sprouted those. And I did something really dumb. This here is where one pipe goes into the other. I thought there was enough of a downflow here, about 3 foot, stuffed 1.25 inch pipe into this 4-inch. Nope, it backs up and it bubbles out and makes a big old sinkhole here. So what you're seeing is remnants of hydraulic cement. So I took hydraulic cement and packed it in. But down here, I ended up noticing there was another leak, so I tried digging away, and guess what I cut? yeah, that, along with the solar Ethernet. Here's the Ethernet. Ah, okay. I love making work for myself. It's really upset. So this has got a hold of me for a while. My truck, I'm fixing that. At least I'm getting a little something done here. And let me show you the walnut. And here's the walnut topper that I built. Let's see, I don't know, I put a little remark here to make it a little prettier. Mortised or routed the edges. And down here, of course, this whole thing was about 1 inch short, and that's what brought on this piece, but still it wasn't long enough. My luck, right? So I had to mortise a couple pieces together right there. But overall, I like what turned out. When I had this piece sitting here, and I took this piece off, I lifted it up, this piece fell forward, and I'm making more work for myself. I'm good at that. That's all I do. Anyway, all right. It's kind of a quick update. Anything else, Mayor? Got anything to add? No? So you don't want to be on video here. But I'm going to start working on this topper here soon, which goes up there. I forget what you call it, but that's what all that is. All right. That's the update.